In this question, it is given that let fx is equal to minimum of 1 and 1 plus x sin x, where x lies between 0 and 2 pi. If m is the number of points where f is not differentiable and n is the number of points where f is not continuous, then the ordered pair m comma n is equal to, you have to find the correct choice. First, I will redefine this function. It is clear that if x lies between 0 and pi, this will be smaller. For 0 and pi, both will be equal, and between 0 and pi, because x sin x will be a positive number, hence this will be more than 1. Therefore, I can say as a whole that between 0 and pi, this will be smaller. And if x lies between pi and 2 pi, note that equal to pi is here also, because for x equal to pi, both are equal. Even for x equal to 2 pi also, both are equal. If x lies between pi and 2 pi, this will be a positive number, but because sin x is negative number, as a whole, this will become smaller for this interval. Hence, I can say fx is equal to 1 if x lies between 0 and pi, and 1 plus x sin x if x lies between pi and 2 pi. Note that equal to pi I have written in both the cases, because for x equal to pi, both are giving same answer. And because between 0 and pi it is constant function, hence continuous function. Between pi and 2 pi, this is the product of two continuous function, hence x sin x is continuous. And by adding constant to a continuous function, remains continuous, hence 1 plus x sin x is also continuous for this interval. Therefore, checking is required to be done only at pi. Even at pi also it is clearly continuous, because left hand limit at x equal to pi will be 1, value of function will be 1, and from here it is also clear that right hand limit at x equal to pi will also be 1, because when x tends to pi plus 1 plus x sin x, it is very near to pi, but it is very near to 0, hence the limit will be 1. Therefore, I can easily say that the function is continuous at pi. At all other point, it is already continuous. Therefore, there is no point of discontinuity. And because n was representing the number of points where f is not continuous, therefore the value of n becomes 0. Hence, I can say C and D are sure to be wrong choices. The only possible point of non-differentiability is pi, because there is only one possible point of non-differentiability. Therefore, A is also wrong. Obviously, B becomes the correct choice. Still, for clarity purpose, I'll find left hand derivative and right hand derivative at pi. Now I am going to use shortcut way for checking the differentiability. You must have studied this shortcut way while doing preparation for JEE.
But if you have not studied this way, then please see my video lecture of differentiability made for JEE.
It is clear that f dash pi minus is limit x tends to pi minus and derivative of f for x less than pi is 0. Hence I get the answer 0. But for f dash pi plus, you will find limit x tends to pi plus and derivative of this becomes x cos x plus sin x. Hence I get pi cos pi, that is minus pi. Therefore left hand derivative and right hand derivative are not equal. Hence the function is non-differentiable at pi. Hence there is one point of non-differentiability. Therefore B becomes the correct choice.